It's 5:45 a.m. and concrete just got here. Now it's 7:26. We have all the concrete laid down. And now we're gonna Fresno and broom it and just watch it. Got this pad all broomed up and ready to go. It's now 8:38. The sun's out on it. This pad is all broomed up and good to go. And the little sidewalk right there, it's all broomed and good to go. Put some boards on the plastic, so that's not going anywhere. Shouldn't have any problems. And check out the little pad I did. Now, fair warning, I've never finished before. This is pretty rough, but I didn't use a broom on it at all. I just kind of mounted it up. We like to drive. Instead of through there, we can come in through the second entrance and, you know, out into the driveway instead of using that one over there. But this will be a lot easier to use because we can hit our tires on it and it won't, you know, mess with the culvert pipe and won't wash out. That's all for now. This is Dalton, and I'll see you later.